This 2017 Keystone Cougar 326 SRX is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Keystone is 37 feet 7 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, Sleep 7, stove-top burner, DVD player, oven, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, TV, refrigerator, water heater, external shower, skylight, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Keystone Cougar 326 SRX is 9,930 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.